Yesterday we was talking about early blight in your potatoes, which is obviously a massive problem because it'll spread to all members at Nightshade family. So that includes things like peppers and tomato plants. So one infection on one plant can cause really severe problems. And unfortunately in the UK, you can't buy anything that gets rid of blight. And once it gets old, it's very difficult to stop. But after we put that video on yesterday, we had a few people that commented and they were raising concerns that maybe they've got something similar happening on some of their plants. If it's a really bad infection, you've got no choice really but to cut all that foliage away and just call it a day with that particular plant. And obviously, as we said, all that foliage needs to go in garbage. You can't put it anywhere else because the disease stays dormant and then comes back. And although once you get an outbreak of blight, you just can't get rid of it, you can to some extent control it. And everything you need, you've probably got in your kitchen cupboard right now. So you can make up a spray to combat it. But just be aware, this doesn't stop blight, it just slows it down. But first thing you need to do is isolate any infected plants that you've got and remove all those infected leaves. This won't fix it, this won't cure your plant. So any leaves that are already infected, you need to cut off and put them in a bin, and then you can work on the plant that's remaining and any neighbouring plants that you think might have come into contact with it. Even if it's not showing just yet, it's better to be safe than sorry. We only need a couple of things. We'll need some vegetable oil, bit of washing up liquid, and some bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, but it's not baking powder. Then just a couple of measures and a spray bottle, and that's all we're going to need. And we can make up a mixture in a quantity of 5 litres or 1 gallon. If you've got a spray bottle that's a bit smaller, then obviously you need to divide these measurements up to suit the amount of water that you're putting it in. To start off with, I'm just going to put some water in a jug because it's easier to mix it in a jug and then transfer it to your spray bottle after. So we'll just put a little bit in there. And then we want 3 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda. So that's 3 tablespoons that's gone in there. Then we want 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And then 1 teaspoon of washing up liquid. Then we just need to give that a good mix to combine all these different ingredients. Then you can transfer it to your spray bottle. And then we'll just fill that to the top. Now you've got your own made blight control spray. And as I said at the beginning, it won't stop blight, but it will set it back quite a bit. So if you've got things like first earlies and second earlies that are almost ready for harvest, this is going to slow that process down and allow your tubers to grow on that bit bigger. So you'll get a better harvest at the end of the day by using this spray. So when you use this spray, go to any areas that you think are affected, any plants that you've removed those leaves from already, and spray every leaf. And then leave it be. And you'll have to reapply it after 2 to 3 days. And that should keep that disease at bay. But as I said, it's not going to completely stop it. Just make sure you don't apply this mixture to your leaves in full sun. Obviously you're going to burn your leaves if you do that. But also, this mixture contains a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And the reason the oil's in it is it helps this mixture stick to the leaves. So it has a better, longer lasting effect. And of course, oil and sun don't really mix. So apply this at night time or early morning. And if you get quite a lot of rain, then obviously you'll want to apply that the next day because it's going to wash a lot of it away. And I know we've got a lot of rain coming starting today. So there you go, your very own homemade blight control spray. So if you've got any concerns about your plants at the moment, then make up a batch of that. Then you know at least you can give those plants a fighting chance. Anyway, thank you very much for being part of this channel. I hope you've enjoyed your weekend, and next week we're going to have quite a lot of rain. So we'll probably be doing a lot more things inside greenhouses. So if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I look forward to seeing you then. Take care.